Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Orange color, light green color, light blue color, pink color and red color. Now let's learn the numbers counting 1 to 20. First 1, number 1. Next 2, number 2. Next 3, number 3. Next kids 4, number 4. Next 5, number 5. Next kids 6, number 6. Next 7, number 7. Next 8, number 8. Next 9, number 9. Next kids 10, number 10. Next kids 11, 1, 11. Next 12, 1, 2, 12. Next 13, 1, 3, 13. Next kids 14, 1, 4, 14. Next kids 15, 1, 5, 15. Next kids 16, 1, 6, 16. Next 17, 1, 7, 17. Next 18, 1, 8, 18. Next kids 19, 1, 9, 19. Next kids 20, 2, 0, 20. What we learn? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.